What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the error that says application failed to start because side-by-side configuration is incorrect. So let's get right into this. If you're getting this error, the easiest way to fix this is to go to your search bar, type in uninstall or whatever, right? Basically, you're trying to get control panel. And in here, you want to go to where it says programs, uninstall a program. You want to find wherever you have the Microsoft Visual C++, so basically, technically all of them, and click change and repair all of them. You're going to do that for, again, all of the Microsoft Visual that you see over here. Once you do this, this should fix your issue for you. If not, and let's say this isn't happening on like Chrome or whatever, some other software, uninstall said software. So let's say it's Chrome, Google Chrome, right? Uninstall Google Chrome, just go to Bing, download it again, reinstall it, and then you should be good to go. So doing these steps, you should be good to go. You should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please smash it up. If you guys enjoyed the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and more tutorials out. Peace.